Good morning, folks. Welcome to Agero Summer Hustle, Week 11. I'm George Horvath, COO of Agero.
Dave Farrick here, CEO of Agero. I have not been kidnapped this week by either Martelli or Thea. I was able to overpower both of them. For the record, Thea was tougher than Joe.
We're here to announce the winners in Week 11.
We're very excited about the Summer Hustle, rewarding the hard work of our providers.
All those drivers, dispatchers making every toe count.
1 week countdown to the big truck. So we'll get on to the winners from the drivers, who will get $500.
$500 gift card.
The first winner of $500 is Ahmad Abu Halaweh of 961 Group Limited in Houston, Texas.
Next up, Mikey Gray of Atlas Towing and Recovery in Starkville, Mississippi.
Right, and I have Ken Kozrad of Alpha Towing and Recovery in Perkasie, Pennsylvania. I'm sure that's Perkasie, and I said it wrong, but it's one of those two.
Last but not least on drivers this week is Tyler Mayo of Prospector Towing in Laughlin, Nevada. Congrats to all four of those winners, getting $500 gift cards coming their way.
So on to the dispatchers, also $500. It's Saji Mohammad of U.S. Towing and Recovery in Louisville, Kentucky.
And Early Thompson of King Booga's Emergency Roadside Assistance and Hauling in Dale City, Virginia.
And King Booga's gets the best tow company name of the week. I love that name.
Absolutely.
So the winner in the owner category of $250 is John Swingros of Alton Towing Service in Alton, Illinois. So congratulations to all the winners. I know George and I are both really excited to be back for the grand prize next week of the Ford F-150. I'm not going to do his tagline because he's already copyrighted that and I don't want to be sued by him. So George, what do we call the Ford F-150?
A sweet. And congrats to all 7 winners. And thank you again, making every toe count in Agero Summer Hustle. And look forward to the grand prize announcement next week. Same bat time, same bat channel on Wednesday.